Welcome to the Jollof and Small Chops March 11 Friday Ogbonge discussion on top of As It Dey Hot. Una know as we dey do am. On Friday, all the action tori wey we discuss for the week, we go carry and come as soon as possible, give you the opportunity to chook mouth on top so that you will get the liver to contribute on top of the discussion so that those wey dey lead this country go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezeogo Chukwudi, and as usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as dey concern the politics matter. As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to Friday's edition of that program, As It Dey Hot. The Asepo edition, how they carry come today, where we will give now all the details of which we will talk about from Monday, reach yesterday will be Thursday. So that for those of our viewers who no fit and contribute, we know probably where their call no go through, we no get the opportunity to say they won't watch them at least. If that they watch them right now if we do it now, if we contribute now 1 quarter to at least to the discussion so that people where they in charge, our government, them, even us generally, we go feed it, we go collectively find way and find solution to the problems that affect Nigeria. My name never change. My name is Nkubi, and this now As It Dey Hot.
We not go waste time. Sharply, we go just go inside all the discussion we carry come from Monday. On Monday, March 7th, we carry 5 stories where they come up plenty smoke come and we drop them one after the other. We begin with the sad one, the passing on to glory of the minister for now the position when in there before him pass on to glory. Minister of State for Labour and Employment. In name now Oga James Ocholi when come from Benue State. Just be enter say himself, his wife and his son dem kpai inside accident wey happen when dem bin dey travel. The FRSC don come out with latest report talk say na overspeeding na im cause that particular accident. We been talk am that day say this one na lesson to everybody say no matter the position wey you dey, when that call come everybody go answer. All the good things when dem talk about am na because of say im na good man and the kind life wey im live na good life. When our own time reach, wetin people go talk about us. From that particular story, we enter the one wey be say our police people we cut cap give them for inside this Lagos State. 3 of the young girls when we say for Babington Macaulay Memorial Seminary School for inside Ikorodu, where some Jaguda people enter inside there, go kidnap. Our police people then spread their dragnet, can't use intelligence, fish these people out, and then don't rescue the 3 girls. People don't tell them, say, make it not just stop for there. Say security not supposed to be when the thing don't spoil. As we they try to put ear for ground to see whether bad people will want to do bad things, we go feel they get them before they can't do the bad thing when they want to. From there, we enter the one when we say our former president, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, 1999 to 2007, when he talk about the EFCC. For one small gathering when they do before the celebration of him birthday proper, he may collect microphone, clear him throat 3 times, come talk and say, the EFCC we see today is a toothless bulldog. Some people be in the moment say, he be like say they put something inside the small chops wey Baba chop before he talk. He come talk am again. He said the EFCC when they see today, they know they do anything. They not even feel back. Say in fact, if there be Nigerian bulldog, say therefore they call them bingo because now like this, now EFCC day. People come talk say, hey, if you come check, say okay, EFCC of now, toothless bulldog. EFCC when you drop that time too. Say it be like say difference there for the way we say this one they operate and the one way they operate because now during your own time some kind words enter inside our political dictionary. Say witch hunt or selective prosecution. They come talk say make Papa just wait small. Say don't do it on him don't go. Make him just they contribute. No they come out come they use strong word. They be like say when they derail the process when we they go on top. We can't carry the one we get to do with the governor of Ekiti State, Governor Peter Ayodele the Rock Fayose. He come and talk say 1 million DSS operatives. You know they fear them at all. This one because of say on Friday, then talk say DSS operatives then invade Ekiti State House of Assembly, carry some of the members go onto something when get to do with fraud. He come at contact say the way when we say DSS they operate for inside Rivers, Bayelsa and Ekiti State, they just be like extension of APC. Say DSS constitution give them what they're supposed to make them no can do like say then they overdo their work. Important information wey come from onto that one and say he talk say one organized rally for inside Ekiti State to use register the displeasure of Ekiti people about the way we say DSS they operate. We can't top this one up with security matter inside inside Rivers State. As e be like say na every week na im dem dey count scores for inside Rivers. We come dey call on the Commissioner of Police, the Inspector General of Police, and all the people wey be say dem get hand for inside this particular matter. Make dem do wetin dem suppose do to use ensure say the state dey safe. If we don reach the level wey be say you talk say you wan represent people, e come be like say na fight, na violence, na assassination, na killing. Na that one no go work for inside this our country. All of these stories that we carry come from the weekend when we discuss on Monday. As e dey hot.
And on Tuesday, wey be the following day, we can't do it. We can't switch over to the part 2 of wetin our Oga former president talk. That is Oga Obasanjo. When he talk, say, look, say EFC, that is the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, say them be toothless bulldog. We carry Ogbonge guest and Oga Chris and Nwokobia come the studio, and we can't do it. We can't look into the matter. He can't talk, say, look, say the present EFCC chairman, that is the Oga Ibrahim Mangu, say in the work. Say, from the actions we don't see so far, say this man, they really work. Say, if they talk about corruption, say, a lot of corruption play out under the leadership of Oga OBJ. Say, he can't mention that, say, look, we got the Halliburton matter, we got the cement matter, we got the power sector matter, and all these things happen under OBJ era, and then nothing. EFCC no say they didn't find anybody. So why we just come out and say, to the EFCC of now toothless bulldog? People say, talk, say, look, we should see, we need to see an effective anti-corruption group rather than make it call the throw blame. Say, okay, this particular person, the era now in better pass. Say, make we get a central institution. We say at least any era where they in place, at least that institution will feel work and work effectively. Now, we think we talk on Tuesday with that.
On Wednesday will be March 9th. We can't reverse. What we supposed to celebrate on Tuesday, we celebrate them on Wednesday, sake of say our Ogbonge visitor when go talk something when they're very, very special, and because we love Nigerian women and the girl child. This one get to do with the commemoration of the celebration of International Women's Day. Make everybody don't forget, say on March 8th, special jollof and turkey, and they cook, give all the women when they inside Obodo the world because of their great contribution to society. But based on say we can't get plenty time on our hands on March 9th, we come carry our Ogbonge visitor, Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba, to follow us discuss that particular matter. We can't talk and say, if we look the condition of Nigerian women, waiting be the way forward. We not discuss the problems and the solutions we prefer. And our Ogbonge visitor talk well on top of this matter. So that my heart can't even melt. She talk and say, Nigerian women, they're very, very strong. And it go they're very, very important, maybe say, opportunity when they give man or boy, may they give woman and girl, because not be by power, not by sense. She talks anyway when God take great woman with meek heart when we say e dey very, very soft, and sense when we say e be like two people when they do 419 combine, good 419, no be bad one. Say make Nigerian people, they give women all the support when they need to fit get to the position where they dey. We can't talk and say not be just for us to come and they talk. Women self suppose rise up. The small place when we say they find themselves, they suppose use that opportunity, because for our society based on census that them plenty pass. And if we talk about the way when we say we they select or elect people to represent us, now the hand when women carry come, now we go give them. So it go very important, make them do their own part, make we self support them, make we continue to move forward. Once again, we go tell all the women, say we they celebrate you now, not just on March 8th, but every day.
Yes, and from there, you can enter into yesterday matter where we bring now the issue of the present fuel scarcity, where we tag scarcity without end, which way forward. Because over the week, we get issues of fuel scarcity, where we say filling stations when they sell fuel, people they try, a lot of strike they on from the different bodies where suppose they discharge this product. We can also look and say, look, see, people will call address the matter, say, look, say this matter, if it continues this way, we no go fit trace how as this nation go take go, because how we go take get resources where we say God give us. In the end, we self go they suffer for the resources. People can't even bring up from different angles. There are issues we need to look into. Make we see where all these problems they come from, because if people they suffer this thing, I will not feel identify the key element of this problem. Then people like say we never really feel do anything. We never really feel say we they find solution to the problem. People can also mention the issue of say waiting our refineries they do. We say we get refineries if they know they're functional. What they don't do so far to do anything to address and to also put them in place. So that at least we go get an existing refinery where they produce oil. People can also talk say look, there are other sectors. A couple of people mention say if it will call for say make them get round table discussion. The different bodies will get differences. Make them come for round table discussion. Talk their waiting their man for once, so that at least we go know say yes, we don't get a lasting solution, a permanent solution to this problem. So we're not going to face this problem again. Now, waiting we talk about yesterday will be Thursday.
Today will be Friday. We dey talk say after Jollof, according to the man when talk this talk, when the name dey inside Guinness Book of World Record, they talk say after Jollof must come small chops. As we don serve una all the action today when we carry come from Monday reach Thursday, we will give una the small chops, that is the current affairs when they go on, so that everybody go understand as things they go inside our Obodo Nigeria. And the first story when we go start with now with the number 3 man inside Obodo Nigeria, Senator Bukola Saraki. The Senate President today go enter inside the Code of Conduct Tribunal to go answer in mama name as e get to do with the case when we say the knack put for him head say for the asset, that is the property when he get when he declare K-leg enter inside the matter. And the Senate President don't come out contact say make every Nigerian see this one as very good example based on say he leave the position when we say then give him in they go clear in good name. He talk say no be time when we say people go come they look say why he be say me when they this position this kind of thing go dey happen. He say make everybody look am as example, and Nigerians then they watch as he already talk say he go see this case to logical conclusion to prove in innocence, make Nigerians know say he had no dey inside any badness for this situation. And this second one go carry come get to do with somebody when we say him being contest to become governor for the 2015 gubernatorial elections for inside Rivers State. And the way when the election they go, the kind result when he carry till today, he dey talk say no be result, but Supreme Court don affirm say the person when win the election, that is Chief Nyesom Wike, na him win the election. But based on the way when things dey now, they don appoint him as the DG of NIMASA. That one are also very, very strong position. If we check the way when we say things they operate for inside government, for inside Obodo Nigeria, we dey tell Oga Dakuku Peter side say congratulations, make you know say this one na responsibility when they give you to represent the people of Nigeria. You must do am well and do am so that Nigerians go look say yes, so you dey give your own contribution to government. Amongst other stories when we go check, based on the one when we talk about yesterday, fuel scarcity, the union, them two strong union will come out, come be like say them bend the hand of government. They don't come out, come announce say the strike when they may call, they don't call them off. But some people they talk say now just 14 days, now they give government to correct some of the mistakes when they make. Make we break them down. The Minister of State for Petroleum, Oga Emmanuel Ibekachiku, been come out, come talk say they want restructure. Although some people talk say he used unbundle before, but now he don't talk say now restructure, that is reorganization of the NNPC for greater efficiency. But some people come tell and say this decision not be your house, not be your company. You must meet with stakeholders, people won't get mouth for inside this matter, so that we go iron out all the areas where we say they rough, so that it not go be like say some people hand from under they control that particular situation. We say get some other important current affairs when they happen now. We go they drop them as the story and the discussion they go. But you go fit join us on top of this discussion and talk am the way when the team pay you for body. Remember, we get 3 telephone lines, come top them up with 1 toll-free line. When we toll-free line, we go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go they pay.
Chuku, you know also, you probably, I don't know whether you just deliberately leave that part too, the issue of the former Chief of Army Staff, Oga Alex Badi, where court don't put and say, fine for your head, say, look, you're going to need to pay 2 billion naira for you to be able to say you dey free yourself. Not be even free, at least.
For now.
Say 2 billion naira, now you're going to need to do it, now you're going to need to submit, so that you go feel free yourself from now. I can't try imagine, say, if it has gotten to the point of, say, make person, they pay 2 billion naira for bail. I wonder where I know go talk say probably the amount of something where the person don't accumulate for himself because maybe the allegation they don't level against him, whether now something where they in match with waiting they say make he take bail himself right now. But make we still they see as the matter they take go, and as the matter they take go, we're gonna do it. We're gonna give them up-to-date information about them.
That one self, as we don't talk this matter, on top of this program severally, we don't talk about say big man, big bail, small man, big jail. But if we also check the matter, a person when they accuse of crime, when we say they talk say the thing big, where. If you will give them opportunity to use go house back before you go come they answer the question, they go try and make the thing they very, very stringent. But person when we say EFCC carry case of $3.9 billion, somehow say they involved. If we can't talk say in bail now 2 billion, I don't know where the shorties go come from, but if they see that kind of money, they'll begin to chook eye for them to say, how you take get 1 billion, because now 2 people go carry 1 billion come. How you take get this money with landed property for inside Abuja, when you feel use con drop for down? We don't know whether that Kuje, when they don't give them, I hear saying a room and parlor with small toilet. Now they give them for inside
But
Kuje.
at least it's still fair, because a couple of people will say their own self they was than that. I mean,
no, but you know, prison na prison. Kuje,
okay.
Kuje na Kuje. They know they go there. They know they go prison, go do holiday.
You never see prison where we say people they flex inside.
Which prison that they flex?
You never see people where we say
no
people they get flat inside.
That one na custody, no be prison.
Wait till they talk.
Prison is, check it, prison is prison, custody is custody.
Chukudi. But people they
you
get.
You don't go there before. What
you don't go.
Maybe I don't get military background.
Well, I never go. Maybe
I don't get. Why you don't follow me? They argue what military people know.
Maybe you don't get the experience before. You don't go there before.
I said they give us in room and parlor with small toilet.
No.
Argue.
I don't follow you argue.
Kuje is Kuje.
I don't follow you argue. I say you
military background. Things what
no, you don't go. You don't go. You don't enter the place. You don't experience some.
Based on military background.
No.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.